So let's take a look at how you can remove real-time database from Firebase console. So what we're going to do is log into Firebase console, then choose a project where you have created your real-time database. Now in my case this is MyDB, and here in database section you will find my real-time database, and that's the database I wish to remove. Okay, so let me wait till it loads completely. As you can see, currently I have this database with few entries inside it. So I wish to remove this database. So what I'm going to do is simply go to this real-time database section. Now here I can simply delete the data. It shows null, and after that I can simply disable database, so it won't be accessible from this URL. Okay, and if you get this message that store and sync data in real time across all clients, that means your real-time database is now disabled. Okay, this is as good as deleting it.